Today, should you invest in Google stock in this new AI era? I think there's two key points that we need to look at. First is, can Google's traditional search business continue to do well in this era? And secondly, can Google's cloud AI business gain traction? If we dive into Google's latest earnings, you can see that Google search actually grew by 10% Y on Y, and that's doing very well. Despite the rise of ChatGPT, there has been no major drop in Google search traffic. In fact, this 10% came from the increase of the cost per click. And this is because Google, being Google, they are very good at doing the ads business. They are able to monetize the premium space in the search results. You can see from the AI overview, once they give you the answers, there's this space that they are able to sell at a premium to their advertisers. The way I look at it, traditional search market is evolving. If you can see from here, Google AI overview are hurting click-through rates. So here's the big question. With all the changes, can AI overview really protect Google's traffic in the long run? Speaking for myself, my Google usage has definitely dropped. Since the discovering of AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity, I've been asking my questions directly there, skipping Google entirely. Furthermore, AI businesses are pushing out for AI agents, and AI agents don't click ads, they just fetch answers. So honestly, I don't think that Google can hold on to its 80 to 90% search market forever. Bit by bit, competitors are going to chip away at it. But Google is not done. While they are defending their own turf, they are also attacking the cloud AI space, and they are definitely doing pretty well at that. You can see from a Y perspective, they grew their business 28%, while their operating margin grew almost double from 9.4% to 17.8%. But what is in this Google Cloud revenue? Google Cloud segment revenue is actually split into two main parts. First is the Google Cloud platform, which we usually associate with the AI business. And secondly, the Google Workspace, which is your Gmail, your additional storage for Google Drive, etc. Within the Google Cloud platform, they have compute management, networking, storage and database, big data, and machine learning. For Google Cloud Business, currently their demand is definitely higher than its supply. They did mention in their latest earnings that they have tight demand supply environment, and their growth rate will depend on capacity deployment each quarter. And for them, most of their deployment will come towards the end of 2025. So while all this capacity goes online, Google is also preparing to increase demand for it. From on the enterprise side, they are building AI agents. So to gain more, they have launched Agent Designer, which allows enterprise to create agents with no code. And furthermore, you can manage all your AI agents at the Google agent space. On the consumer side, they are pushing for Gemini. Google claims that Gemini has around 350 million monthly active users. For context, ChatGPT, based on Google's own estimate, has around 600 million monthly active users. So while OpenAI is still ahead, Google is gaining traction, and they are also planning to deploy Gemini directly into Android and Pixel devices. In conclusion, the search business, which is their biggest business, is actually at risk, and this is a red flag. And for their AI cloud business, it is doing well and gaining traction, but it's still not clear who will win in this space. Furthermore, everyone is competing fiercely for this space, which is not even profitable yet. OpenAI has mentioned they are still losing money, even from their pro members who are paying $200. For me, I won't be investing in Google at this stage because I don't think that the risk of AI disruption has been priced into the Google stock yet. What do you think? Are you using less Google and more ChatGPT? You can share in the comments below. And if you find this content useful, please like and subscribe.